Yeah, the Department of Chemical and Systems Biology is a unique program that we started here in Stanford to train the next generation of researchers that need expertise in many different areas and have to learn to work together to be able to solve the problems of the future in biological research. The Department of Chemical and Systems Biology has really two main missions. So one mission is to train people in chemical tools and other perturbation tools that allows researchers to rapidly change enzyme activities using light and small molecules in cells and organisms. The second part is to familiarize researchers with quantitative tools, for example, modeling of signaling pathways with data analysis, image analysis, and other modern approaches to gather results from experimental data.
We try to teach our graduate students quantitative things and chemical things so that the students can go out and do original research that gets at the design principles of complex biological systems.
The main research strengths of our department are cell signaling, cell cycle control. We also have several researchers interested in development and animal models of disease.
I do stem cell research. We're particularly interested in epigenetic regulation of stem cell fate. What makes stem cells pluripotent? Why are they able to produce all the tissues and organs of the human body?
The research I'm doing right now is I'm looking at neuron polarity. So I'm looking at why neurons form a single axon and multiple dendrites. And I'm also looking at how neurites grow out when the cell is maturing.
I study the synchronization dynamics of the cell division cycles in the early Xenopus embryo.
I work in cell cycle regulation, which is to ask how cells divide. And in particular, I work on the spatial and temporal regulation of this process. So how is it that cells manage to divide? And this is, of course, a very important question because cell division is controlled and very much aberrant in many of the disease states that we know, like cancer. A lot of the research that we do here in the Chemical and Systems Biology department at Stanford is extremely multidisciplinary. And so a lot of groups collaborate and work together, bringing new expertise and different expertise to different projects. So a lot of our papers are actually from different groups within the department.
It's really important for scientists these days to be able to interact with other scientists that have different perspective, different technology or different way of thinking. And having an environment that stimulates these kind of interactions really makes our research better. Our ability to, in the context of medical school setting, also our ability to interact with clinicians and potentially even translate our science into biomedical applications is also a unique feature of the environment in the department and in the school.
The community is very collaborative, and so you get a chance to get to know everyone's research, and if you're looking, for example, a different model system to do an experiment in, you know who to go to talk to.
One main reason why we started this department is that we feel it is very important that we prepare students and postdocs for the jobs of the future. We feel that training them in interdisciplinary research where they learn working with other people, in training them in cutting-edge technologies, that they will have the expertise to be able to be successful as biotechnology researcher or as academic researchers if they pursue one of these tracks.
The Department of Chemical Biology here at Stanford is, of course, an excellent place for students to learn the know-how of working in a lab, to develop creative thinking, to be careful thinkers as well. But above all, the department really promotes a lot of career development, workshops and seminars. And the networking that these workshops and seminars promote is also crucial for the next step that these students will do.
We have chemists, we have systems biologists, mathematicians, and they pool together their knowledge and information and special expertise to help to unravel this wonderful, complicated stuff that's at the basis of life. Stanford is a great place, and the Department of Chemical and Systems Biology is like no place on earth.